1. Check system requirements. Before anything else, make sure your PC meets the minimum requirements. If you are below spec, the game may not launch at all. Minimum example for PC. OS Windows 10 64-bit. CPU Intel Core i5 or AMD Ryzen 5. GPU NVIDIA GTX 1060/AMD RX 580. RAM 8 GB. Storage 50 GB available space. Tip: check official specs from Bethesda or Steam. 2. Restart your system. Sometimes a simple reboot clears up background processes that might interfere with the game. 3. Update your graphics drivers. Outdated or corrupted GPU drivers are a common reason games fail to launch. NVIDIA users use GeForce Experience. AMD users use AMD Adrenalin software. 4. Verify game files. Steam Epic Games. Corrupted or missing files can prevent the game from launching. Steam. Right-click the game properties, installed files, verify integrity of game files. Epic Games. Library, click 3 dots next to the game, manage, verify. 5. Run as administrator. Right-click the game's shortcut or .x file and choose Run as administrator to bypass permission issues. 6. Temporarily disable antivirus beta firewall. Some antivirus programs mistakenly block game files. Temporarily disable them and try launching again. Don't forget to re-enable afterward. 7. Clear shader cache temp files. Old cache files can sometimes conflict with new installs. Open disk cleanup or clear cache via your GPU control panel. 8. Disable overlays. Steam, Discord, GeForce, etc. In-game overlays can conflict with newer games. Turn them off temporarily and try launching again. 9. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, uninstall and reinstall the game. Be sure to back up save data if needed. Console-specific fixes. For PlayStation beta Xbox. Restart your console. Check for system updates. Clear cache by power cycling. Reinstall the game. Shunya, install missing dependencies. Sometimes games don't launch because of missing software libraries. Install beta repair. Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributables 2015 से 2022. .NET Framework. DirectX End User Runtime. 11. Launch from installation folder. Go directly to Java. Copy. Edit. C:\program files, x86, Steam apps common Doom Dark Ages. Or your install path. Then double-click the .x file to see if it launches outside the launcher. 12. Create a new Windows user profile. Corrupted user profiles can affect game launches. Try creating a new local account and launch the game there. 13. Check keyboard layout language settings. Some games crash on startup due to unusual language or keyboard settings. Switch to English US temporarily. 14. Check for error logs, crash dumps. Game folders sometimes create logs. Look in Documents, My Games Doom Dark Ages logs. App data, local Doom Dark Ages. Look for .log or .dmp files to identify errors. 15. Disable VPN beta proxy. Network-related features like authentication can hang or crash with active VPNs or proxies. Disable them and try again.